The Go&Go automatic car wash system is designed with modern technology, making the car washing process faster and more efficient than ever. The system operating process includes three mainstays: automatic undercarriage spraying, a stereo cell washing, and automatic drying, giving you a clean and shiny car in just 10 to 15 minutes. First, automatic undercarriage spraying stage, cleaning the most easily forgotten area of the car. When the car starts to enter the washing area, the automatic undercarriage spraying system is the first step to be activated. This is an extremely important feature because the undercarriage is the place that is in direct contact with the road surface, affected by mud, sand, gravel, oil, or even salt water in area near the sea. Go&Go uses a high-pressure nozzle system installed underground. When the car reaches the correct position, the high-pressure nozzle will automatically turn on and spray at the diagonal angle with strong and decisive water pressure, enough to remove all stubborn stains stuck under the chassis without manual operation. Depending on the dirty state of the chassis, we will decide the time for this automatic undercoating. This entire process takes place in just about 30 seconds to 1 minute, which brings extremely impressive results. Clean chassis, reduce risk of rust, increasing high vehicle life and safe operation. This is the outstanding difference between traditional car wash and Go&Go automatic car wash that everyone loves because of its intelligence and modernity. Second is stereo cell washing stage. Comprehensive cleaning from the car body to the wheel in just 7 to 8 minutes. After the chassis is cleaned, the car will continue to move through the still washing area. This is where the Go&Go system more clearly demonstrates high precision, synchronization, and automation. The body washing system includes multi-directional high-pressure water jets, have to evenly wet the entire car and remove initial layer of the dirt. Specialized cleaning solution spray system create white foaming covering the entire car body, helping to dissolve long-standing dirt, such as asphalt, insect carcasses, mud, combined with automatic software programmed to scrape according to the shape of the car. The specialized brush system receives a variety of cars from 4s, 7s, and 9s to automatically scrub the car body from the roof, windshield side of the car to the wheels. All are thoroughly cleaned. The brush is made of high-quality soft foam, helping to minimize scratch of the car paint while creating enough friction to remove dirt. The special thing is that every movement is intelligently adjusted by the sensor, ensuring that each portion is cleaned without damaging the car surface, because the sensor brush recognizes the different size of 4s, 7s, and 9s cars. Therefore, the brush will maximize the function of cleaning and is stereo without human control. With this system, each car only takes about 7 to 8 minutes to be completely cleaned, helping car owners save a significant amount of time, while increasing the number of cars that can be served each day. If you are a soft owner, no more customers have to worry about waiting 30 to 40 minutes for a car wash. Third, automatic drying stage, completely clean and shiny. The last step is the process of automatically drying. This is a very important and outstanding point of Go&Go 2025 automatic car wash system, but is often overlooked in manual car wash facilities. Water left on the car surface, if not treated properly, can create stain, especially on glass or light color paint surface. With the drying system of Go&Go using high-capacity fans combined with optimally designed air duct, creating a strong and even airflow throughout the car body, the wind will blow along the car body from front to back, bringing all the water down to the drain floor, making it shining within 3 to 5 minutes, instead of using a towel to dry manually, which can easily leave scratches on dirty car. Air drying helps keep the paint surface shiny, free of fingerprint, save time, do not require much manual labor. This process ensures that the car with leaving the washing area is clean, bright, completely dry. Benefits and investment potential from the Go&Go automatic car wash system. Investing in the Go&Go Go&Go system is not simply buying a car wash machine. You are investing in a systematic business model, optimizing resources, serving more customers, improving service quality, and creating professionalism for the store. The Go&Go system is suitable for car care center, restaurant, gas station, service repair garage, investors who want to operate a small to large-scale automatic car wash model. If you are interested in the modern car wash solution that save costs, save time, and still ensure the quality of cleaning down to every detail, then the Go&Go automatic car wash system is the choice worth investing in and experiencing. Low operating costs, reduced depending on labor, and fast payback time are the point that make Go&Go a solution worth investing in a current era of service technology. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. If you are finding the content useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Do not miss the next video on technology solution for the auto service industry. Go&Go is trying to improve every day to operate the most product better every day.